Mic check 1 2. Okay. Yep, and we are ready and we are live. Just gonna create a new file before we start the stream. Day 3. I'll do that later. Yo. As promised, drinking one of these. Yo, let's get started. So, I did not read the exercise yet. At all. So let's start with that. Okay, I always do this blind, so that's like the real challenge. Doing this live without ever reading it. And if I fuck up, yeah, I hope you can help me out on that. Okay, problem statement. One elf has the important job of loading all of the rucksacks with supplies for the jungle journey. Unfortunately, that elf didn't quite follow the packing instructions, and so a few items now need to be rearranged. Each rucksack has 2 large compartments. All items of a given type are meant to go into exactly one of the 2 compartments. The elf that did the packing failed to follow this rule for exactly 1 item per rucksack. Okay. The elves made a list of all the items currently in each rucksack. Okay. That's the puzzle input, but they need your help finding the errors. Every item type is defined by a single lowercase or uppercase letter, that is A or and A refer to different type of items. Okay. The list of items for each rucksack is a given. What? Okay, I already don't get this. This list of items for each rucksack is given as characters of a single line. Okay. A given rucksack always has the same number of items in each of its 2 compartments, so the first half of the characters represents the items in the first compartment. Oh man, this is gonna be a hell parsing. While the second half of the characters represent items in the second compartment. Okay. 6 rucksacks, 6 lines. Every line is a rucksack and the first half. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Okay. And the idea is to find these or what? To help prioritize. Okay, so the problem is we got rucksacks. A rucksack has two compartments. Every rucksack is represented by one line. One compartment is the left half, and the other compartment is the right half of the string. And I think we're meant to find like the common guy between these two, between the two halves. Lowercase item types is 1 through. Okay, uppercase items have this priority. Okay. Man, I need to burp. Okay, it's out. Okay, in the above example, the priority of the item type that appears in both compartments for each rucksack is what is the sum of the priorities of those item types? Of all of them. Okay. Yeah, I think we can do this. Okay, as always, I do copy the input. Lazily. I just copy everything and I have me one string. Now after the bad practice, we follow it by some good practices. Gonna do the main separation thingy here. Okay, but now I don't have to read from a file. Then okay, we go for rucksack in test input dot split every line. So this gives us all rucksacks, and now left, right. We can separate this. We go from thing to len rucksack divided by 2, and we get the second half with this Python magic. Okay. Maybe I should print something to check how we're doing. Print left. Okay. Python 3, day 3. Let's go. First run of the day. Exception, okay. Must be integers. Yeah, why would it not be an integer? Should be divided by 2. Is there any special case where they're not even? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Yeah, okay. Should be, okay. What is the issue? I bet it's like some, no, it's the first case, wait. Okay, weird. Then is 40. What's the issue? What am I doing? Okay, so if I were to do rucksack 20, that does work. Okay, what's the length of a rucksack divided by 2? Man, I'm trying to look cool with my Python. Oh man, it gives out a float for some reason. Okay. Thank you, Python. Okay. There we go. Left, right, left, right. Now I'm gonna do some more Python magic. Let me check one thing. How does this work? So s equals set. So I want to find a unique between them, and that's easy to do if you use sets. So if I add a whole string, then it adds a string. Yeah, but if I add a string like this, no. L for L, and I have to do this, right? Wait, I added a generator expression? No. Unhashable type list, okay. Doesn't matter. Can do, I think you can do like a set of a list, and that, but it's a set of a string, that's right. Okay, what if you do a list of a string, that gives us this, and if you do a set, this also, oh perfect. So we can do like print common left dot intersection with right, and it should just be a single value for each one. If I do it right, it's not R, it's right. Common, we got it. Okay. Now we're close to the solution. Now we need to do, how do I get like the number for this? Isn't it just ORed? Getting like L. Okay, this gives us 100. Okay, what's the one of A? Okay, equals 97, right? Actually it's 96. Okay, right, so if we do OR minus 96, we get this priority, and we want the sum of the priority. Okay, cool, we got it. So now we want priority equals this intersection of the other one, get this we do the ordinal minus the offset, we get the priority. Priority sum equals 0. Priority sum. We got it, folks. We're almost there. Priority. And now we print priority. Oops. Yeah, wait, I got it wrong. Priority. Priority. There we go. Sum. Set is not subscriptable. How do I get like a one element from a set then? Are you kidding me? Pop, I guess. And if I don't have anything, okay, let's try and pop it. Okay, so priority is yeah, that doesn't make sense. We fucked up. So priority is negative 1036. Okay, let's just debug a couple of things. Print. Okay, actually, so common equals, we get the intersection. Wait, what? Okay, that's what you get when you switch from Linux to Mac all the time. So you're gonna print the common is meant to be common, and the prio is that calculated priority. So we got minus 12. Okay, so the uppercase ones. Ugh. Okay. Why? Man, I don't know the ASCII table. Yeah, I don't. Don't give me shit. So this is actually 65, but actually uppercase ones are okay, let's do lower. Oh man, this is gonna be ugly now. But I don't give a fuck. Upper offset. Can I do is upper? Okay. Nice. Equals upper offset if common dot is upper, else lower offset. The upper offset is actually 65. Let's see if this works. Okay, we got a positive priority. Not gonna check. Shit makes sense. That's not the right answer. Damn it, guys. Answer is too low. I think we can do better. So, let's see. No, but it cannot have offset 65. A should be 27. So we got Python 3, okay, 65 minus 27. This should actually be, could have just done this though. Actually 26, yeah, okay. Because it actually, so L, okay, do we have like an A? Uppercase A, no, okay, I don't care. Return to day 3, yeah, I'm gonna get it. I bugged it, it's not the right answer. This is too low, still too low. I don't get it. Okay. So, word A, right? We get 65. I think that's already it. Is this higher than what I had inputted the other time? Should be, right? Oh man, I have to wait 11 seconds. I cannot spam this thing. Ooh. Okay, sorry about that, guys. Time for a sip. 11 seconds, did we get it? That's the right answer. 1 gold star. Let's go, W's in the chat. Is there a part 2? Part 2. Okay. So, now that I finished part 1 in the most ugly way possible, we gonna build upon that shitty base, you know, and get ready for part 2. So, problem statement for part 2. I am finished identifying the misplaced items. The elves come to you with another issue. Oh man, I'm a bit too full. For safety, the elves are divided into groups of 3. The elves, where every elf carries a badge that identifies the group, and for efficiency, within each group of 3 elves, the badge is the only item type carried by all 3 elves. Okay. The item be somewhere in the rucksack, and most 2 of the elves will be carrying any other item type. Okay. The problem is that someone forgot to put this year's updated authenticity sticker on the badges. All of the badges need to be pulled out of the rucksack, so the new authenticity. Oh, man. Okay, then. Additionally, nobody wrote down which item type corresponds to each group's badges. Oh man, these problem statements give me a headache for real. The only way to tell which item type is the right one is by finding the one item type that is common between all 3 elves in each group. That's okay, right? Okay, every set of 3 lines in your list corresponds to a single group. That's fine. Okay, parties. Okay, okay. I think we got this. But wait, what? Ah, it's the same input? No, how does it work? Every set of 3 lines. Okay, it's the same input, but we gotta split the lines in 3. Okay. We do part 1. And part 2. These offsets are good. I don't need this. Okay, all rucksacks equal splitting them boys up, and then gotta check them in pairs of 3. So for a group in all rucksacks, but we go from 0 to len of them rucksacks, all rucksacks. Wait, that's not how you do it, right? No, that's not how you do it. For group in range, yeah. So from 0 to len of all rucksacks, and we go jump in 3s. And then we go well, now we need to get the group. So group equals all rucksacks from the current, oops, okay, I do need this, from the current index plus index plus 3. Cool. This means we got what we got here. An array of 3 strings, right? And what can we do with that? We can get 3 sets. So elf1 equals group 0. Okay, just making it consistent, and yeah, I count from 0. I'm a real programmer, yeah. Group 2, blah blah blah. We got all of these, but we want to turn them into sets. And now the common one is elf0 dot intersection with elf1 dot intersection with elf2 dot pop. Boom, priority sum, we print the priority sum, and main will be part 2. Let's go. Okay, I hope I got this one first try. Let's go. W's in the chat. Come on, if I don't get a subscription with this one. Okay, we got 2 more days of advent of code to go. O que estás para dizer? What's this gonna be here? Is this like a a drawing, something. Maybe one can decode this like before. Anyway. Let's go for day 4. Let's create a new file and whatnot. Don't ask again, bitch. Let's do main. We call main. Main ain't defined. We define main. We pass on that. Okay. Camp cleanup. Space needs to be cleared before the last supplies can be unloaded from the ships, and so several elves have been assigned the job of cleaning up sections of the camp. Every section has a unique ID, and each elf is assigned a range of section IDs. However, as some of the elves compare the section assignments with each other, they notice that many of the assignments overlap. To try and quickly find overlaps and reduce duplicated effort, the elves pair up and make a big list of section assignments for each pair. Your puzzle input. A big list of section assignments for each pair. Okay, what does this list mean? Within the first pair of elves, the first pair of elves. The first elf was assigned sections 2 to 4, 2, 3, and 4, while the second elf was assigned sections 6, 7, and 8. Okay. So the second pair was assigned 2 sections, 2 to 3, 3 to 4. Elves in the third assigned 7, 8, 9. Yes. So what? Oh, girl, pode ir desligar a cena. Okay, the example list uses single-digit section IDs to make it easier to draw. Your actual list might contain larger numbers. Visually, these pairs of section assignments look like okay, I don't understand what this is about, but okay. Might contain. Okay. And what's supposed to be the output? Oh man, I have no idea about this one. Yeah. Some of the pairs have noticed that one of their assignments fully contains the other. For example, 2 to 8 fully contains. In pairs where one in a pair would be exclusively cleaning sections, their partner will already be cleaning. So these seem like the most in need of reconsideration. In this example, there are 2 such pairs. And how many assignment pairs does one range fully contain the other? Yo, this should be pretty easy to do in Python. Wait, in Python, in any language, like I don't need ranges to do anything. Cool. So what's the input? We're gonna copy that. We're gonna copy the input. Be like test input. Paste it. And now, so we're just gonna check which are fully contained and what then. In how, okay, in how many? Okay, total assignments with contained 0, 4, line in test input split, only split by the line. Then we go range 1, range 2 equals line dot split by comma, and then we do range 1 start range 1 and we're gonna split this range again by the hyphen. I'm gonna do the same for range 2. Okay, so now we got everything. Let me check if there's a fancy range function for Python. Python check if range is within range. Yeah, okay. So if let's check if range 2 is within range 1. So we do range to start is greater or equals to range 1 start, and range to end is smaller or equals than range 1 end, then okay. Plus equals 1, but here I wanna invert the thing. Let me check if I redo it. How bad is it? Print total assignments with contained. Actually we are in day 4, 564. Does this make sense? How many lines I have here? Oof. I mean, seems like it could be right. Yeah, this is too high. I guessed, I didn't guess. I made a shitty program that told me the wrong answer. Okay, that's an interesting input. Okay, the control value. Return style if within range 1 start, range 1 end, and we do range 2 start, and range 2 end also gotta be inside there. Okay. Range 2 start, range 2 end, range 2 start, range 2 end, 1, 1. Okay, gave us a lower number. We might get it this time. It's not the right answer. Yo, how is this even possible? Not making it easy. So now the answer is too low. Let's read the problem statement again. 6 not fully, okay. What you mean? Okay, I'm struggling with this one, but probably because I'm stupid. So, we can check. No. So this is the range and the controls. So range 1 and range 2 and wait, no, this is range 1 and wait, no, it's the other way around. Okay. Yeah, actually my problem now is how do I debug this, right? This is a bit annoying. I have to find like in the 400 something. Well, I mean now it's too low, so I'm not finding one, but I'm being very inclusive here. Range 1 star, range 1 end, range 1 star, range 1 end. I'm checking if the range is within the other range. Okay, folks, I think we got it. I mean, we can use this. If range to start in range, actual range from range 1 start to range 1 end plus 1, because we want to Yo, chat. I'm not getting this one. I need help. I need help checking if them ranges are correct, yo. Elif range 1 so this whole time I just think my range checking is incorrect. Yo, if this gives out a different number. Oh shit, this thing was not ints the whole time, this was strings. Yo. Oh man. Yeah, so we're gonna do list map int $511. Yo, like what was this thing calculating the whole time? I think we got it this time. I think we got it. It's the right answer. It's the right answer. I would say W's in the chat if there was anybody in the chat. Part 2 of day 4. Man, how long have I been streaming? 47 minutes. Alright. Just checking the stream analytics. Sure. I mean, we could. That's cool. Yeah, stream quality excellent. Okay, let's keep going. Getting a little tired of these exercises, but we should be able to do day 4. Let's see about day 5. Still quite a bit of duplicate work plans. Instead, I also would like to know the number of pairs that overlap at all. Okay. That's easy. Okay. I think if we do this, we got it. Would be the quickest answer yet. So what you do when you got good code? Did you see this? Didn't even write a part 2 and a part 1. So part 1 is if you just want everybody, if you want total overlap check, which is with an AND, but if you just want partial overlap check, whoops, you can do it with the OR. Part 1, part 2, there we go. Yeah, we're done with day 4. One last day left. Oh man. I just got energy because like part 2 of day 4 was super easy. Let's see about day 5. So day 4 was all about them sets. Now them ranges. Day 3 was about the sets. Let's see. Supply stacks. Okay, problem statement. Yo, sorry about these stories. Like, I know they're super boring, and I also don't want to read them, but I need to understand like what the thing is about, right? Let's go. The expedition can depart as soon as the final supplies have been unloaded from the ships. Supplies are stored in stacks of marked crates, but because any of the supplies are buried under many other crates, the crates need to be rearranged. Okay, the ship is a giant cargo crane capable of moving crates between stacks. The crane will rearrange them since carefully planned steps. After the crates are rearranged, the search crates will be at the top of each stack. Okay. To interrupt the crane during this delicate procedure, but they forgot to ask her which crate will end up where, and they want to be ready to unload them as soon as possible so they can embark. They do, however, have a drawing of the starting stacks of crates and a rearrangement procedure. Your puzzle input. Move 1 from 2 to 1. Move 3 from 1 to 3. Okay. Can stack it and pop it, right? Should be good. So this is to use stacks, I guess. Okay. The elves just need to know which crate will end up on top of each stack. Okay. In this example, we want CMZ. Okay, so after we did everything, we just popped from every stack. But what's the input? Yeah, this input is gonna be horrible to parse if this is the input. Oof. Oh. Yo. Do I really have to parse this for like my 0 concurrent viewers right now? Yo, I think I'm gonna leave day 5 for tomorrow because this is gonna be a pain to parse. I guess you 3 characters space, 3 characters space, and then you kind of add these to a list. Okay, guys, I think I see you guys tomorrow. Thanks for watching, even though nobody's currently watching. And I'm gonna leave day 5 for tomorrow because I'm kind of tired and this parsing is gonna be a bit of a pain. Hope that's okay with y'all. What's this 4K? Oof, I just got here. So just so you know what's up for tomorrow. So problem statement is I gotta parse these things and then I'm gonna perform all of these moves. So move 3 crates from 4 to 6. So right, like basically use stacks, I guess, and pop from here to there. That's not the part. I think the hard part is going to be parsing all of this correctly. We'll see you tomorrow. Peace out.